Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls on your speaker SVEN PS-950. You can play and pause the song by pressing play pause button right here, so just press one time and I just play a song, and if I press again I will pause the song. Now click the plus button or press and hold it to increase the volume, and as you can see there is information that it increased the volume, and it makes no sense if you will increase it on your phone or lower on your phone. Just use this button when you connect it to the speaker. So just press this plus button to increase the volume and minus button to lower the volume. Right here, as you can see, it worked. Now if you press this button you will play next track. So here we go. And if you press a button at the top, you will play previous track. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!